The billing mode is basically the granularity of time to which you bill your customers for using your services. You need to have an easy way to choose this mode for your plans. With Chargebee, choosing the mode that suits your business is quite easy. Chargebee supports two types of billing modes, day-based billing and millisecond billing. Let's take a look at each scenario in detail. With day-based billing, you will bill your customers for the exact number of days in the term of the subscription. So the start timestamp will be set to the beginning of the day on which they signed up, and the end timestamp will be set to the end of the last day of the billing period. For example, if your customer signed up on January 4th of 2019 at this time, then in day-based billing, the start timestamp gets set to the beginning of Jan 4th of 2019. If the plan period is 1 month, then the end timestamp is February 3rd, 2019. The subscription renews at the start of the next day, which is February 4th of 2019. In Chargebee, you'll be able to choose the billing mode from the Configure Chargebee screen. Head to Billing Rules and scroll down a bit and you'll notice the Billing Mode section. Decide how you're going to be billing your customers and choose the one that works best for your business. We've chosen day-based here. So let's try signing up as a customer and check the timestamp. We have the checkout screen here. Let's run through the payment process. And a subscription has been created. Now let's open up Chargebee, head to the subscriptions page, and there you see the subscription that we just created. Hover a bit over the subscription and you'll notice the created at and the next billing at dates. The next billing at date is set to 1200 hours, which is the beginning of the next billing period, which means that the end timestamp is a second before, which is 23:59 hours, the last second of the previous day. With millisecond-based billing, you will bill your customers to the granularity of a millisecond. Now let's switch to that billing in Chargebee by heading back to the configurations interface. With millisecond-based billing, a subscription starts the moment a customer signs up, and the end timestamp is exactly one billing period from the start timestamp. So if this is the start timestamp on January 3rd, this will be the end timestamp on February 3rd. The subscription will renew at the next millisecond on February 3rd. So let's try creating another subscription now. We'll enter the details like the name and the email address. Fill in the payment details and the subscription gets created. Now open up the subscriptions page in Chargebee. There's a subscription we just created. And now you'll notice that the next billing at date is now set to exactly one billing period from the starting timestamp. So that's millisecond-based billing. This is especially useful when you have to calculate how much a customer has used your service and bill them exactly according to their usage.